Kahoot Personal Loans AI Loan Honest Review. Watch before using. Applying for personal loans can be stressful, and most people get this wrong. They rely on traditional banks or assume rates are fixed. Kahoot leverages AI to offer personalized loan options based on your financial profile. The surprising truth is that AI can help match borrowers with the best rates, reducing time and guesswork. You won't believe how quickly the process can be completed. Here's how it works. Users provide basic financial details, and Kahoot's AI evaluates credit history, income, and risk factors to present loan offers. Some users receive multiple pre-approved options within minutes. For example, someone seeking $10,000 may get several tailored offers with varying terms and interest rates. Another benefit is automation and transparency. Most people assume online loans are generic, but Kahoot provides clear repayment schedules, fees, and terms upfront. The platform also integrates reminders and payment management tools. However, there are considerations. AI recommendations are only as accurate as the input data. Most people assume the lowest rate is always the best option, but repayment terms, fees, and flexibility also matter. In conclusion, Kahoot offers a fast, AI-driven approach to finding personal loans with competitive terms. It saves time, increases transparency, and helps borrowers make informed decisions. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of financial tools and AI-powered services.